Here's a quick look at some early Plymouth Barracuda cars. So everybody wants the 72 Hemi, but these early 1960s Barracudas were super cool in their own right. Like, tell me that's not as beautiful as a Camaro or a Mustang of the same era. Super cool car, especially in the convertible version. Then when you get into the fastback version, it's a little bit different look. There's the classic fake wood dashboard with the big long stick shifter. And then if we take a look at the same car with the roof on it, you can see it's got a nice fastback style. In '66, they had a big giant glass dome on the back. That was super cool. But this is just a really like long, all business, fast car looking car with a big trunk on it. And of course, the classic Barracuda logo. I really wish they could have kept that for the new Dodge Chargers somehow, made them Barracudas. I think people would have revolted though. And then this guy has put a modern engine in one. So it's got the same classic fastback look. And you almost never see these on the street or even at car shows. So this is really cool to go to a car show and actually see the original 60s Barracudas in 3 different forms that I could really get up close and look at. Just a beautiful car. And then there's the secret weapon under the hood that makes it go, go, go. And then the classic eyeball, double eyeball dashboard. And then what the heck happened? Like 6 years later, it turned into your grandma's car. The Gold Duster. Super cool that somebody has maintained a Gold Duster and brought it to the show to show the kids today just how quickly it all fell apart. Except for the logo. One of my favorite all-time logos right there. Duster Man, the superhero of dust.